Hello everyone, for the repair today we have GB150 noco Genius Boost Pro. So this one is came from California all the way to here. The problem with this one is no power, won't turn on. If I push the power button, nothing. Yeah, sometimes I see the 50% is flashing quick. Let's check it and see what's going on. We're gonna take the screws. So we already removed the back cover. So we check the 12 volt fuse. It's good. The relays connector is in the place. It's good. No crack on it. Let's check the battery voltages. It's very important to check the battery voltage before you do any repair, to see if this device has any chance to be repaired or no. So the battery voltages is 11.2. That's great. From red to white is 3.7. From white to yellow is a 3.7. From yellow to the black is a 3.7. From red to the black is 11.2. The battery voltage is good. All the cells, they have the same voltage. Not one it has 4 volt, the other one has 2 volt, and one has 1 volt. That's time the battery is bad. So here we check the common issue. This resistor here gets cracked, or this one here. It looks okay. We check the VCC voltage. So here is the ground and here is the VCC. We can check the VCC here at the power button before we push the power button. If we want to check it here, we need to push the power button. So let me this is very low. The VCC should be like at over 10 volt, but this is very low. So this voltage here, the 10.8, when we click to the power button, should goes here. And this VCC is go to input of this 3.3 regulator, and it will be out here. This regulator is going to transfer 10 volt to the 3.3 volt. We have 2.1 volt on the 3.3. That's why the device won't turn on. And here, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. You see, the 50% is flashing. Let's check the resistance here and this big. So these two resistors here is a 0.1 ohm. So on the multimeter it should be test like a 1 ohm, depend the multimeter you have. If the multimeter is very good, it should show you less than 1 ohm. If it is a generic multimeter like this one, it may give you like 2 to 3 ohms. Yeah, but here you can see the resistances go higher when we click to the power button. Yeah, 8 ohm. Or 7 ohm. So these two resistors is bad and would wanna need to be replaced. I do have this resistor here. Is a 0.1 ohm. You can see it over there. Is a 0.1 ohm. And yeah, I'm gonna use this resistor. This resistor, it will work better than this SMD resistors. Alright, this is the resistor. Let me see. It's a 0.12 ohm and it's a 2 watt. That's good. So before I install the resistor, I can do a test. So I'm going to jump these 2 points here and I'm going to test. The device turns on and is boosting. Flashlight works. So when this 2 resistors is bad, the devices won't charge. So I want to show you this. The device is going to stuck at the 25% all day long, and it will be 0 here, 0 amp. Jump these ones. Now the device is charging. You can see 50% is flashing. And look at the amps here, is a 1 point, almost 1.6. So this is not mean that you can make a jumper here. That's not a good idea. It's better you put a low ohm resistor or you put SMD fuse. Because the new nocos, they start using a fuse here. I think it's about like 4 amp fuse. Let's solder this resistor. Alright, so let's test it. It works. Let's test charger. So 1.6. Or 1.57. So it's charging. Flashlight works. And is boosting is 11.2 volt. So this device is fixed and is ready to ship it back to the customer. So I'm just going to put this device together. So this is all for this video and see you next one.